says, suppose you just received a shipment of 14 TVs. 2 of the televisions are defective. So let's start with that. And should have had my tablet up. Okay, so those 14 TVs. Looks like 2 are broke, which means 12 are okay. If we looked at a single TV, the probability that it's broke would be 2 out of 14. And probability that it's okay would be 12 out of 14. 14 because there's total of 14, and broke because there's 2 broke ones. That's why 2 goes there, and 12 okay ones, so that's why there's 12 up here. I could simplify that, but it's going to go in the calculator here shortly anyway, so it doesn't much matter. Okay. If 2 TVs are randomly selected, compute probability that both televisions work. Okay, so this is the first part. It's like part A. So, first one works. That both televisions work. And the second one works. When I say both work, it's implied and in there. Now, and is multiplication. Okay, so the first one. We got a total of 14 TVs. And probability it works is, or that's okay, is 12. So 12 out of 14. And that's what we just said right here. Okay, now we're picking 2 TVs out. So after that one's gone, then there's 13 TVs left, and 11 of them work. So let's plug that in our calculator and see what we get. So 12 over 14 times 11 over 13. Enter. See if it wants decimals or what it wants exactly. Round to 3 decimal places. 0.725. 0.725. Okay. Now let's look at this second thing they're asking us for. It says, what is probably at least one... There it is. So probably at least one of the 2 televisions does not work. Probability at least one is... When it says does not work, then it's broke. So at least one is broke. Okay. We're going to rewrite this as 1 minus probability of none broke. Then we rewrite this as 1 minus probability, and we change the none to all. On the first line here, I should have said this. This wording here matches this exactly. And the rest of this is all as you see. 1 minus probability of none, and then whatever that wording is. The 1 carries down to minus, and then the none changes to all. And then we rewrite the broke as the opposite of broke. Well, opposite of broke is it's okay, or works. I probably should have used works up there instead of okay. But 1 minus probability all work. Okay. Now they're saying at least 2 of the televisions does not work. So we're going to do 1 minus. And if I look at the probability that 2 televisions work, well, that's our first one here. This one works and this one works. So this will be the answer from A. And they a lot of these kind of lead into that. They give you this first part here, which then you can use in this. So, if I go on my calculator, if I just do 1 minus, and then whatever answer we get from here, and you get the answer by doing second, and then negative, and it puts A and S, and press enter, we get 0.27, round to 3 decimal places, I'm assuming, 0.275. Let's see, 3 decimal places, yeah. 275. And that would be how you do that problem.